Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to show you how to change account location on Roblox. Okay, let's start. Follow my all instruction properly. Now click on more option and scroll down slowly and click on help and safety. Click on health. Now search your account location. Then click on account location and scroll down and click on need more help and contact support here. Now your full form fill up. Please describe your issues very carefully. Hello support, I changed my country to expert still shows why.